Don't do anything yet. The nut. The nut is in the towel. Let me get the nut.
Put the nut in my hand.
Don't bite me, you stupid fucking.
Oh man, my arms are getting.
Yeah, hurry, Bill.
All right.
All right, ready?
The nut is no,
What
not
are
yet,
you
not yet.
holding? Are you holding the plastic?
I'm holding the corner of the plastic.
Me too.
All right.
That
Slowly lower the plastic. Slowly. Oh God, he's biting at my hands. Slowly. Well, okay. Now get the towel around the the edges.
Towels up.
Towel around the edges. Okay, wait. Before we do this, what are we going to do?
I say we
Wait,
just.
keep it locked to the ceiling.
Keep it like.
I mean, don't let any holes in the towel. Please.
Oh shit!
Oh, it's out.
It's out. It's over here.
Oh, it is.
I think.
All right. All right.
Move it towards. Move it. Move the entire unit.
Okay. Move it slowly. One,
I think he's
2,
right
3.
here.
Move it. Move it toward.
What, are we moving this
Toward the
thing
window.
too?
Toward the window.
The plastic thing too, or just the towel?
Everything. All right. Slowly.
Careful. If he's still in that hole. No, he's. Oh shit! Oh! Oh my god! Oh my god! Jesus!
Move the fucking towel.
Move it this way!
Move it, Carl.
Move it this way! Oh shit! Oh my god!
Is it still in there? It's on the ledge. It's sitting right up here on the ledge.
Can we open it?
This scene was priceless. You just see this. Oh no, no! And it just falls backwards.
Everyone laugh.
Dude, we freaking tripped over the damn chair. Oh my god.
I still need these. I'm gonna go pick them up to the side.
No, he can fly. He's on the ledge of the window.
Can he fly?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Oh, we don't. Who is it?
Do the air one. Do the air one.
Wait, he can use them here.
I don't see him.
Oh, he's up there. He's up there.
Where?
He's on top of the windowsill up there in the corner. Where? He's walking. He's
How do you
stalking.
see him?
Look, look.
Yo, we actually do have to get him outside.
See him?
Oh yeah, he's right there.
Shit, he's big as fuck. Oh, hold on, let's see too.
You ass! Leave!
Get out! Oh shit!
Oh, he's looking. He's looking. Wait, the air horn. Yeah, the air horn. Get out of there!
He didn't move.
He didn't budge. Hey!
Close it. Ah! What if we make the sound of an eagle? Get that on the sound.
Oh, get the actual sound.
Oh, fuck.
Dude, the eagle's not its natural predator.
Yeah.
The hawk
That's
is.
a hawk, you're right.
Okay, you gotta get out of here. Okay.
Go get your phone, dude. Go get your phone. There I got it.
Yeah, it's over there.
It's over where?
On the ledge.
It's on the ledge.
Phone is on someone. Is this something like really soft that we can just toss it and get it to fly? No, he has. Oh yeah, where's your squirt gun? Where's your squirt gun?
Carl's squirt gun. It's for Carl.
Oh, dude, no, he's flapping his wings.
Maybe
No,
it's
he's cleaning himself.
Wait.
All right, hold on.
Oh, he's 8 pounds.
He's plotting.
Well, there he goes.
I think he's making
looking.
a decision.
He's looking.
Yes.
Oh.
Come on.
No.
Oh, shit!
Oh, he's out. He's out. Close the window. Close the window. Close the window.
Oh my god, what a fucking ordeal. Jesus. I hope your thing ran out.
We have succeeded. Man versus wild man wins. Oh my god.